If you have $100 and still think halal investing is complicated, you're wrong. Here are the 3 steps to making your first riba-free investment today.
Step 1. Get the right tools. You cannot afford to guess. Download Zoya or Wahed. They screen thousands of stocks and ETFs to make sure they are 100% Sharia compliant. Step 2. Invest in the halal giants. Go for a certified halal ETF. Start with ticker halal or SPUS. These are pre-vetted, diversified baskets that automatically avoid alcohol, gambling, and most importantly, conventional interests. Step 3. Actionable first move. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Use that first $100 to buy 1 share of a halal ETF today. Your journey to ethical, Sharia-compliant wealth starts with a single click. You just did a good deed and built wealth. If you want the full breakdown of why halal ETFs are the smart move for the next 5 years, hit follow and check out the upcoming full video linked in my profile.
إذا خلال لقاء والذين يأكلون الربا لا يقومون إلا كما يقوم الذي يتخبطه الشيطان من المس ذلك بأنهم قالوا إنما البيع مثل الربا وأحل الله البيع وحرم الربا.
Those who consume interest will stand like those driven to madness by Satan's touch. That is because they say, trade is no different than interest, but Allah has permitted trading and forbidden interest